it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Wanted to share with you the must-do deals for Walgreens next week. If you watched my Walgreens ad preview video that I posted this morning, there is a spend deal coupon in the Walgreens ad. What you're going to do is spend $25 and get a 25% off coupon on your next purchase. So I do have a scenario for you at the end of this video for some different items that you can purchase. If you're not subscribed yet, of course, make sure you take a second, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss out on any deals or savings, and share this video with your friends, family on, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever you guys have. If you can even share it on Twitter. I don't even have a Twitter, I'm not gonna lie. But share it with your friends and family so if they need any savings or deals, they can save as well, especially for those who are shopping for loved ones, elderly that they're taking care of, anything like that. Having a tight budget, these deals will definitely help you get the products that you need. So let's go ahead and dive right into these deals. Purex Detergent is on sale again, the packs or the liquid for $1.99. We're getting a $1 off coupon in the Sunday paper. Hopefully there will be a digital as well. Final cost would be just 99 cents. Definitely a great price point. Typically these are, I believe, $5.99 at my store. Crest Toothpaste is on sale. 2 for $6, and when you buy 2, you're going to get a $2 register reward. So if you like Colgate instead, stay tuned. I do have a couple deals for Colgate that you guys can stock up on. So for the Crest, you're going to pick up 2 of the toothpaste that are on sale for $6. You're going to use a 3 off of 2 digital coupon if you did not use it the current week. I don't believe we're getting a new one, but I didn't use it the current week, so it is still on my account. Make sure you clip it and send it to your card. You will pay $3 out of pocket, get back the $2 register reward, so final cost would be just $1 for both, or 50 cents per tube of toothpaste. So that is definitely a stock up price. Anything under $1 for toothpaste, definitely a good deal. Palmolive dish soap. This is on the larger 20-ounce bottles. They're on sale next week for $1.99. There is a 50-cent digital coupon that we are going to be getting on Sunday. So make sure you check your account on Sunday. Clip all the digital coupons that you are going to be using. That way they don't disappear. Your final cost would be just $1.49. Okay, so Poise Pads, it's actually on the active liners. I don't know if the pads are going to be included. We'll have to double check on Sunday and see what is available in store or online. So they're on sale for $5.99. The only way to get that price point is to have a Walgreens Rewards account. If you don't, make sure you guys sign up. You can do it right in the app. It does not take a lot of time, and that way you can get all of these savings and be able to use these coupons. There is a $3 digital coupon and a $2 Walgreens IVC coupon. There is a digital version that you can clip and send to your card. There's also a version in the Walgreens Book of Savings. They are completely free. They're located at the front of the store next to the weekly ad. Most stores do carry them. So if you are using the paper version, just make sure you don't forget the cashier has to scan it for that $2 to come off. Final cost is just 99 cents. Definitely a great price point for the liners. Ibotta does have a rebate right now, but it does not work at Walgreens, unfortunately. It does work at Walmart. So if you use a $3 coupon from Poise.com, at Walmart they're $4.84. The Ibotta rebate is $2, so it would make it free and a small moneymaker. So 2 great options, definitely not a bad price point, even still, to pay 99 cents. So here is the Colgate deal. There's 2 separate deals going on next week. I clipped this right out of the Walgreens ad. So as you see in the photos, the Colgate Total is on sale. Buy 2, get 4,000 points back. And the Colgate Optic White is on sale. Buy two, get a $6 register reward. So what you would do is buy two of each. The Optic White are $4.99 each, and the Colgate Total are $3.99 each. So total for all of the toothpaste is $17.96. That is why I love bringing you guys toothpaste deals and oral care deals, because $4.99 for a tube of toothpaste to me is just crazy. That is so expensive. So using these simple digital coupons and coupons from inserts, we can get toothpaste so much cheaper, which is why I love sharing these deals with you guys and keeping up with these videos in case any of you are running low on your stock. So what you would use, again, the current week, there is a 5 off of 3 Colgate digital coupon. Make sure you clip it and send it to your card. It does expire at the end of April, so you'll have plenty of time to use it, and it is available to use for next week as well. Then we are also getting a $1 off digital coupon for the Colgate, or you can use a paper version we're getting in the 4-5 Smart Source insert on Sunday. With those coupons, you'll pay $11.96. You're going to get back 4,000 points, which is equal to $4 from the Colgate Total deal, and a $6 register reward from the Optic White deal. So that is $10 back in rewards. Final cost is just $1.96 for all four tubes of toothpaste, or 49 cents each. So definitely a great deal. Next week, you can get Colgate or Crest. Both are 49 cents each. So great deals going on. And the nice storage bags, or the trash bags, are included this time as well, are on sale again. Buy one, get two free. The only way, again, to get this price point is to have the Walgreens account. So make sure you guys sign up for that. You'll type in your phone number when you're checking out, and then this price point will ring up for you. Final cost will be just 93 cents each. Not a bad deal at all. That is even cheaper than you can get at Dollar Tree or any of those dollar stores. The trash bags I don't personally buy. I try to reuse my Walgreens bags or my CVS bags. They're not the prettiest, but I try to save as much as I can. The storage bags, though, I do personally use those storage bags, and I think they're a great quality. So definitely good deal if you want to stock up on any of these items. Now I want to go over some do's and don'ts for the spend deal. I know I have a lot of new subscribers recently. I just hit over 7,000 subscribers, which is so exciting. Thank you guys for everyone who has subscribed to my channel. Always helps my channel grow and helps YouTube to kind of put my channel out there even more the more I grow. So thank you guys so much for all of you subscribing. So for the spend deal, couple things to make sure your transaction goes as smooth as possible. Number one, you have to present that coupon from the Walgreens ad in order to get the deal. So a lot of you guys ask me the order that I do as far as typing in my phone number, paper coupons, boosters, register rewards, things like that. So what I do is I have them start scanning the items. As they're scanning, I'll type in my phone number. Then I'll have them scan any booster coupon or like this coupon from the Walgreens ad. That would be the first thing. Then I will give them my paper coupons and any register rewards that I'm using. They will hit the pay or total button. Hopefully, fingers crossed, the digital coupons come off as well. And then whatever is left, you have to pay out of pocket. Number two, you must be a Walgreens Rewards member in order to get that coupon and the deal. Number three, it is a spend deal, so you cannot pay with points. Number four, you are able to use register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket cost. Remember, for register rewards, they do have to attach to an item that does not have a coupon already attached to it. So if you watched my Walgreens ad preview, I did point out 2 or 3 good filler items that are about 50 cents per item. that you can add. One item is the Arizona iced teas. They are 2 for $1. So you would be able to then use 2 register rewards to attach 1 to each of those. Then you would get back the 25% off coupon. It is for your next purchase, and the next purchase has to be $10 or more. And the last thing is it is a limit of 1 per card. So you cannot do this spend deal multiple times. Okay, so let's get into the scenario that I put together. There are a ton of scenarios, of course, that you guys can do. If there is an item that you want to see a deal on or a scenario, anything like that, just drop a comment. I will try to get that out to you as soon as I can. This is what the coupon looks like. As you see, there is the barcode there, so that is what the cashier will scan. So one thing you can do is buy a Purex, either the liquid or the packs, $1.99, 2 of the Crest for $6, 1 Palmolive for $1.99, and 4 of the Colgate toothpaste at $17.96. Total is $27.94. We don't have any Walgreens or IVC coupons, so we don't have to worry about that. Remember, for spend deals, another quick tip for you, it has to be $25 after Walgreens IVC coupons. So if you were including those Poise liners in your scenario, you would have to spend $27. That way, after the $2 IVC comes off, you're still at $25. Hopefully that makes sense for you guys. So then the total for the coupons that we're using in this transaction is about $10.50. You'll pay $17.44 out of pocket. You can use register rewards, like I mentioned, to help lower your out-of-pocket cost. You'll get back a $2 register reward from the Crest deal, 4,000 points for the Colgate total, and a $6 register reward for the Colgate Optic White deal. You'll also get that % off coupon. So final cost after the rewards back is going to be $5.44 plus taxes for all 8 items, or just 68 cents each. So on Monday, when I do my haul, I'm going to be doing 2 different transactions. I'm probably going to put the Crest and the Colgate in one transaction so I can use points to pay for those, get back the register rewards so I can lower my out-of-pocket costs, because I certainly don't want to pay $17.44 out of pocket plus taxes. So if you want to wait for me, I post my Walgreens haul on Mondays. I'll let you guys know any glitches or any issues that happen at checkout. I'll show you what the 25% off coupon looks like and if there are any further restrictions or anything on the coupon, so you guys have a heads up for your hauls as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.